Hello YouTube family and friends. Welcome back to my channel. So y'all, happy Tuesday. Today is Tuesday, December the 16th. It looks like y'all leaning with it, rocking with it. I hope that everyone is having a blessed day today. So I got out today, ran a couple of errands, and got my car washed. And you know it's back dirty by the time I get it home, but I just wanted to get some of that salt off of it. I came home, I had some more boxes on the porch. I ain't opened up nothing to see what's in the boxes yet, so I was trying to wait till everything got here and then I could do it. I need to get out and get some wrapping paper. So if I don't get it today, tomorrow I'm gonna try to get out and go and get my wrapping paper and my tape and my gift bags and stuff. Got a couple of gift cards to give for my grandkids, and I just got a couple more things to do, and I'll be done. I'll probably grab all the paper products and, silverware and stuff like that I'll need for Christmas, for our Christmas Eve party. And then I probably won't go get the groceries until maybe, I don't know, Sunday or Monday, one of those days. But I'd like to get stuff out the way so I don't be in the way, you know what I mean? So I just hopped on y'all to say hello. And I wanted to do outfit for the day. So right now, y'all see the jewelry, the costume, earrings, hair store that I had forever. Y'all know that. Some of the rhinestones falling out of this one, finally. And then this necklace came from JCPenney's last year around the same time in Frisco, Texas, down in Dallas. Amazon watch, Alice and Annie bracelets, and Shein rings. My cardigan. I have had this cardigan so long, y'all, so long. So yeah, it's a cheetah print. It's kind of fuzzy. And so yeah, I put this on, and I just threw a black tank top under, and then I have on my just have on my jeans with the big cuff on them. I hope you can see that. And I had on my Michael Kors rain boots. They black with the gunmetal Michael Kors on it. But we got a lot of snow, y'all. I just put them at the door. I put them at the door because I ain't want all that water all through here. But these boots that I done had forever, y'all. And yeah, so that's my outfit for the day. I just wanted to share that with y'all. And I'm like, okay, now, when I got these pants, I got them because they felt so comfortable and just loose. I wanted a loose fit, but I'm like, if I lose any more weight, I'm going to fade away from here. I'm going to fade away from here. So it's like, okay, yeah. I ain't trying to lose another pound. Okay, so last time I told y'all I don't know how much I lost now. But the last time I told y'all, that was back, that was like, I think at the beginning of October sometime, or the week before I went out of town, I believe it was. And that's when I went to the doctor. She told me I lost 12 pounds. And she was asking me, what was I doing to lose the weight? Nothing. 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 And that, it kind of concerned me. So she said that, she told me when I come back from my trip, she was to do some thyroid, some blood work on my thyroid. But I ain't caught her yet about it, but I am. Because I know my medicine have to be changed up sometimes and my levels change. So maybe that's what it is. I don't know. Other than that, I feel very healthy, feel good. But I just don't want to lose any more weight. But anyways, too much talking. Y'all, but listen. Y'all, I am so happy. I'm so happy. And I'm happy. But I am happy. Like happy in a happy way. But I'm so happy that I cut my hair, y'all. When I tell y'all, like y'all already know, I got the wigs, I got the weaves, or whatever I want to wear. Because I'm going to put me a little bust down bob in pretty soon. But right now, I'm just loving it. And I only curled my hair one time since I cut it off. I just been waving it and just wearing it like this. And I have been absolutely loving it, y'all. I'm serious. Because I ain't got to worry about my hair all up on my collar. I ain't got to worry about doing nothing to my hair. I worry about my hair messing up. I ain't worry about nothing. So I really been enjoying my little short pixie, y'all. And one of the main reasons why I wanted to cut my hair was to wear flat waves. And then, you know, of course, curling and everything. When I curled it, I liked it, but I'm loving the waves right now. So I'm just enjoying it. But like I say, I'm so happy that I cut my hair off. I'm so happy. This is like the best thing ever right now. I absolutely love it. No, but anyways, yeah, I'm absolutely loving it. This camera a little bit. But yeah, so I ain't got much to do, but I'm gonna go on the computer and I got some things I need to do that I have not done. And I was on there going through some of my old memory cards, trying to bring up some look for some of my old Christmas videos and like some of the footage so I could put it together and edit it anyways and put it back out. And I think the night before last when I was doing it, I was just tired. And so I was just overlooking because I'm like, I just saw this stuff and I can't find it now. So I think that's what I'm getting ready to do after I eat. I'm going to eat a little bit more of what I made yesterday, the smothered pork chops and rice. So yeah, I'm going to do that. And I don't even know if I even recorded that. I know I took a picture. Your girl be slacking. She be slacking. Y'all got to stay on me, I'm telling you. But I did take a picture. I know I took a picture of that food. I thought my camera cut off on me. But I thought I recorded it. But anyways, this is my food from yesterday. I don't know how the camera gonna pick it up with all that light. But I had some smothered pork chop, some homemade gravy and rice, and a little bit of cabbage. It look like it's showing up so bright, but I don't know. Anywho, here go another picture. I don't know if you can see that one better. But yeah, anyways, that's what I cooked yesterday. And I had some margarita. You see that? And that's what I had yesterday. So I'm getting ready to eat that now. I had forgot all about my aunt. She had called me one day last week and she said that she was trying to get the family just to make a dish for a repast for one of the ladies that passed at her son's church, which he is the pastor. That's my cousin. And so I had forgot all about it. I hadn't even been to the store or anything. And so I got up early yesterday morning. They canceled my therapy. My therapy is usually at 7. I told y'all that. They called me at 6 in the morning and they canceled because the lady she called in sick to work. And so I was up from 6 to probably like 9:30. 9:30, I started getting really tired. 10 o'clock, my cousin called me and we was just talking and she said that she was going to go home and make a 7-layer salad, you know, for the repast. And instantly, it's like, I forgot all about it. You know, I didn't do anything yet. You know, I hadn't even been to the store. So I'm like, I jumped straight up, jumped in the shower, and then I went around the corner to the store, the grocery store, picked up some cabbage, and I came home and made cabbage, you know, for the repast. And so, yeah, got that done. And it tastes real good, too, without meat. Now, you know, if you can cook some food without adding meat, you can cook, okay? So, but anyways, I did that, and I went on and dropped that off up there. And I stopped at the store, and that's when I said I went and got, I was going to pick up some juice that my cousin was telling me about. And I went and got the juice, and then I ended up picking up a pack of pork chops. And I'm like, I'm going to cook me some other pork chops. So that's what I ended up doing. And yeah, it was really good. And and the margarita, let me show y'all. The margarita, she had called me about the margarita, my cousin. She said Sam's had theirs on sale. So it's the for the ones that drink or have a cocktail. It's the Members Mark Golden Margarita, ready to serve. And so this one right here is on sale for, well, she said it was $4.32, and I think that was with tax. And she went and she had got some the day before, and she said that when she called me and tell me about it, I'm like, well, why you didn't call me while you was in the store? She said something about her signal. But anyways, she went back yesterday, so I had her pick me up a couple of them. And I said, dog, I should have just got a few more because, you know, I like to entertain, and you know, I have ladies' nights and just different things going on over here. And, you know, the holidays is coming up, and margarita, it's the whole, you know, thing of margarita, and it's only $4 and something. I got 2 of them, but I could have got more and just had them put up. You know, that lasts a long time. And so, but anyways, I'm glad I got the 2 that I got. And it tastes pretty good too. Because the regular margarita, normally it will give me heartburn. But this one got some type of orange liquor in it. And so it didn't give me heartburn when I tried it. So yeah, but if y'all like margarita, head on over to Sam's Club, because y'all probably got it. I don't know. They might have another flavor other than that one. I don't know. But yeah, y'all, I ain't talking about much of nothing. I'm finna go and I'm warm my food up. Well, I'm gonna warm some rice up and warm the cabbage up. I already warmed the pork chops up. So I'm gonna make me a plate and go to my favorite spot in my room. And I'm going to eat my food, and I'm going to watch Beyond the Gates from yesterday while I eat my food. And then once I get through eating and everything, then I'm going to start, get on the computer and edit. So hopefully I can get this video out to y'all today. And yeah, so all right, talk to y'all in a little bit. From out of the bullseye.